All right, this is the parking elevator near Nordstrom at the Mall of America. The West Garage, yeah. Yep. Got a little bit of classic leveling there.
Forget what these used to be.
Otis.
Yeah. That was easy.
Go on up. Not sure these have actually been modded. These might have been installed with Epico Survivor Plus.
Oh, they have the roof closed.
Interesting.
See? They have like, look, there's so much bird crap over there. There's actually a pile of it. Oh wow, this is a mess up here.
Yeah. I'm guessing this.
Yeah, they don't use the roof anymore.
Yeah. Indication is this place is not doing as well as it used to. No surprise there. Still nice elevators, though.
Yeah, I'm picking that down here.
Yeah. We are in Texas. Okay, that's it.
That's it, yo.